Welcome back, boys and girls. Today we're gonna be leaning more into the budget on this build. So Dom mentioned he had pretty much everything to put this engine together, and it's pretty much put together. But we did say that he was up 60 bucks on the whole build so far, and that is because he ended up scrapping the 3.7 that was in this and made a couple bucks off it. All right, now to get to what we bought. So Dom has bought this intake that cost this much and came from Amazon actually. And 134 bucks for that intake, I feel like it's pretty good. It's gonna help us on the top end, and we don't really have to worry about the bottom end because we're buying nitrous for it. Don't tell them. We won't have to stress about the bottom end, you know what I mean? He got the water pump from AutoZone and the fuel regulator from Amazon. Together, those two things cost this much. Bought a head gasket kit for it from, you'll never believe this. Where'd you get it from? Napa. Oil adapter kit, $15 from Amazon. He's also bought some odds and ends for this, like bolts, fittings that totaled up to 35 bucks.
So far we have $325 in this episode currently.
Anyhow, we're about to put the engine in it, so here's a time lapse of that. We're trying to use this truck oil pan here, which is just barely deep enough to hit on the actual front diff. So I don't know if he's gonna trim this down or beat the oil pan in or what his plan is. Anyways, I'm gonna let him do that. And right like that, looks like we got just enough off. Took a little bit of time, took a little bit of finesse, but the engine is up in there. Now Dom's tightening down the bell housing bolts, and yeah, we'll be ready to start throwing the carb on, distributor, and figuring out the exhaust.
You need a favor?
It's almost like it was meant to be with how well this small block is going in here. You can even ask Dom, the actual one that's doing all the engineering and working on it.
Welding. I welded the trans mount just for easy accessibility, but I could have bolted it in there if I wanted to.
Oh yeah, cake. But I think the hardest part's gonna be figuring out the nitrous and probably something else over there, like the exhaust. The exhaust is gonna be great, but we've come to the conclusion that we'll probably have to fab up some headers, like some turbo headers or something. Instead of using a T4 flange or T6, we're gonna run it to probably a V-band clamp so we can change the exhaust if we ever want to, or, you know, turbo it. That would be pretty sweet. Damn, she is all up in there. Dom and I 100% got it. Like I said, we're gonna figure out exhaust. Dom is gonna keep working on it, but I gotta get up out of here. And yeah. Take it away, Dom. Just kidding, I'm back. Dom also had to left, so check this out. You see that there? Yeah, that's gonna be the new power plant for this truck that was in this video. Yeah, so make sure to stay subscribed and updated, because this is gonna turn that truck into an absolute unit and a burnout machine. All right, but thank you guys for liking, subscribing, checking the channel out. We will definitely have some awesome videos coming up here soon, so stay tuned. Love y'all. See you later.